Hey, Map here, Map Investments. So, I'm gonna do a video on how to request on some of the smaller stuff. I do very well with stuff under $10. It treats me well, and it keeps me focused on maybe the next up and coming winners. Um, on this is the bar chart page on some of these bigger ones. Um, I look for down days and I look for opportunities like on Friday when the market had a big hit. Apple was down, so this is what I do on a daily basis. I go down the list like on Friday, and I saw there was maybe a chance to do something in Apple. And for example, on Apple, I sold. Don't mind this put. This is a put calendar that I had, but what I did was I sold the 125, 122 and a half. And for that one, I collected 85 cents. So if I did opposite order right now, it's about 68 cents. So I'm almost up 20 cents on that. I'll probably buy this back for about half, which would be 40 cents, more or less, 45 cents, 40 cents. And that's what I do. I hit singles and doubles all day. 141 trades in this account today, up 12,800 today. Um, all right, so what do we got? What other ones? Let's go down the list here and then I'll do some small stuff. I don't have anything in Tesla. I don't think Tesla IV has picked up to where I like it, where I can do something worth selling. Their IV is 11. I have no interest in that at all. Um, and it's hard to find premiums right now. Alibaba has earnings tomorrow. I have a put credit spread. Facebook, I did a put credit spread on there. I have the 262.57 and a half. Expires this Friday, so I need Facebook to stay on top of above 260. If not, then I'll roll it out in time to give me more time. Um, you still got some decent IV, 32% here, so that's a decent premium there. Fubu's great. I have put credit spreads, but I should have done them wider because they're not. I'm not getting anything out of them. Space had a great day. Snap had a great day. I think I closed Snap. Um, and I had a lot of these smaller miners. I have a put credit spread in HG. Uh, Workhorse, I closed the calendar spread and made money. I did very good today. Very happy with my performance to start February. Here's Tejas' Jamia, one of the subscribers' favorite stocks. Has good IV. I think I have a trade in there. I have the 45.35, which is already up 33%. So what I'll do is buy this back. I think I sold this for over $4. So my plan is to buy this back for $2, make 50%. And I know the IV is still high in here, 64. So if you're listening, Tejas, maybe you can sell a call if you want, and not if you want to maybe hedge a little bit. Um, so that's some of the big movers. Let's go into some of the small ones here. So these are the top rated under 10 stocks on my scanner. There's 87 of them, and I have most of them. I don't play around when it comes to this stuff. I'll get in them and I'll do if they only have stock, I'll buy that stock. And since they're less than $10, I can buy a couple hundred shares or whatever I feel is cool to be into. If not, then I'll do. If they have options, I love doing options on them. That's for sure. So, what are my favorite ones? Well, I think anything right now that has to do with mining, I think is going to do good. So, SVM is nice. We could pull up the chart here. SVM. I had a nice day today. You can see breaking out. They have earnings soon on the 4th, so you got to be careful with that. and I do have a position in them. I have the 750 put, and I'm up 20%, and I sold this for $1.13. So I'm looking to just keep this credit. That's what I'm looking to do. Just keep the hundred and something dollars. And actually, what I might possibly do is I might sell another one tomorrow, because look at the IV. It's at 100. We got 100 IV here. So these options are expensive. So I would dabble with these. I like that one. PPSI, it has no options. Um, it was up nice today. I think it's a power play, and looks like it's gonna be. It was profitable last quarter. It's just a little bit kind of violent. You got 943 back down to 2, back to 6. So it's kind of violent. The stock's pretty violent, but it has no options. Just trying to give you your attention on some of these smaller stuff that's been, moving. ONCT was up nicely today. Has no, I think, has no options. ONCT. Oh, it does have options. Actually, I need to do something here. I only got stock in here. I'm up 10%. I got 200 shares of this one. And IV's high in here. So maybe, I don't know. I would like it to be higher for me to sell anything against my stock. It's a bio play. And it has some volume today, ONCT. It has some volume today. You can see here a nice little perk here. Can get over that 719 line again. Got a little bar. We need a little bit more volume. It wasn't that crazy, the volume. I don't want to go too long on this video. OIIM. This one does chips, I think, is not mistaken. Chips. Designs analog digital mixed signal ICS used for power management. This one has been very nice. Pretty steady. They have earnings soon. I don't have a lot of this. Maybe this one I should add. And they don't have any options. I don't have much of this because I've been waiting for a pullback, but it just doesn't pull back. So maybe I'll get some more of this for earnings. I think we'll see. Sedge, they have an app on your phone. They do wallpapers. I think they have games. They have ringtones. They do have options. They're thinly traded. I sold the 750 put in March. They have 82% IV. So the reason I just don't buy a stock outright is because I like to lower my cost basis. So for example, I sold the 750 put, right? Stock's at 823. So if the stock gets put to me, it's 750 minus what I sold it for. Let's say it's $1.50. So I'm buying the stock for $6. That's what I will own the stock for, $6. And I'd rather do it that way. That's how I rather own stocks. On ones that have options. So look at this chart. It's pretty nice. They have earnings. They had 8 cents per share, 4 cents per share. So they have 2 consecutive quarters of earnings per share. And you can see it here also. And it's got a nice uptrend. RSI 98. It's nice. So don't you agree 6 would be a nice place to buy? That's why I do the options. If it doesn't go down to my level, I keep my credit and I do it again. And that's the beauty of options. What else we got here? ADMS is a biopharma. BWen is they do they don't have options. They do windmills. EC, I like the shippers. I'm really adamant about getting into shippers. Shipping rates are through the roof. So anything, EC, E-Dry, I would look at those. Um, uh, Here you go. So shipping stocks higher. Globus Maritime, Tops, P. I don't know how you say it. PIX, Synergy, NM, Scorpion Tanker, Starbuck, EcoBulk, Aerodry, Aeroseas, Global Ship Lease, all those. I will get into any of these shippers. I mean, look at the chart. I like EC. It has a pretty chart. It looks like it wants to bust out. I really think this stock is going to fly. That's my personal opinion. Because if you look at, I was doing some research. I'm coming up on the 10-minute mark. I don't want to put you to sleep, but there was an article. Let me go to Google. I need to fix my thing. This thing is taking me to Yahoo. I don't know why. Shipping cargo rates. So look at this. An aggressive fight over containers is causing shipping costs to rocket by 300% a week ago. Soaring container rates risk stifling post-COVID recovery. Record shipping rates unlikely at their peak. So they are charging. These shippers are going to blow up. In my opinion, all those shippers I just showed you on this here, the list of shippers here on this thing here, and do your research. I think they're one of the most undervalued plays in the market right now. E-Dry, they were able to hit E-Dry. It's very thinly traded. I mean, look at that chart. I think DAC had a nice chart. Look at this. Look at this chart. Look at this chart. This thing was at 250. Look at this steady climb. 9, 7, 15, back a little bit. $37. Are you kidding me? Here's some other ones. I bought some calls. I got them cheap on this one. Look at this. I got these calls for 15 cents. I picked up 10. I'm up 566%, 850 on this shipper. And then I'm looking for this bad boy too. I'm not gonna sell it. I'm 15 cents. I didn't pay anything for this. Paid 150 bucks. Look at these bars right here. Look at that. Look at that. It looks like it wants higher. I want higher. I want to hold those options. I got time on those options. I have 137 days. So I got a couple of, look at that. Be nice and get to 20 or 25. That's what I'm looking for. With these rates, with these shipping rates, that's what I'm looking for. And we got earnings next month. So I got time. They're going to blow it out of the water. Look at shippers. That's what MEP recommends. Let's go back to the smaller stuff. So, all right. David's T was up. Ribbon Communication. And, you know, I'll go slow so you can maybe take a picture of the screen on your phone. If you watch on your phone, and that'll help you have all the symbols and you can put them on your watch list. So hope this helps. I forgot who was it that asked me for somebody asked me today for it. Here you go, Omar. There you go, Omar. How you doing, man? So there you go. I'm doing some stuff here that I like for you, okay? ENG has been acting well. OPTT does Ocean Energy. There's so many of them. These micro caps, they've been doing well. This is a great one right here. FLNT, great one. I would look at that one. This is a great one. Good profits. 8 cents a share here, 5 cents a share here, 4 consecutive quarters. This is a profitable company. This is not a company losing money. This company is making money. They provide cloud-based information and performance marketing solutions to enterprise in the United States. Look at the earnings per share here. I'm looking for this to bust out to new highs. This is double-digit stock, in my opinion. This stock right here. This one reminds me of this stock. This used to be Ruby, now it's MGNI. This reminds me of this stock. Look at this, up to 40. And apps. These are all stocks I watched. I'm trying to be a little bit more. I'm a trader, but I'm trying also to be a little pick up some of these stocks and keep them, because like this one, I was looking at this stock at $4 or $5. Look where it's at, $60. So, hopefully we can hit it out of the park and hang on to some of these, because they don't cost that much, and we can hang on to them. Not a lot of an investment into them. So let me go through the list because it's running 15 minutes, and maybe you could take a picture of them. But let me scroll down a little bit here. I have XPL. That's under $1. It's a minor. It's acting well. Had heavy volume today. If anything, hit me up. But I don't care. I'll shoot you the list. Don't bother me, man. I'm here to help people make money. I'll spread the information. That's what I'm here for, to help you guys out, man. Make some money. All right, so these are the best ones right now under 10. They have other ones here. They have RSI. They have tops earning per share, fast growers, fast sales, best return on equity, low PE. I look at all of those. I pay about $1. I pay for about 100. I think I paid like $200 for this service. So I mean, it's like $200. It's like 35 or 40 for the digital and the screener, and then the MarketSmith is, I think it's like $150 or something. But I love it. I really like this. It helps me, and I make money, so it doesn't. It's part of the business. But anyways, those are the small caps. I hope I'll label it, best under $10 stocks for February. We'll go from there, and we'll keep that dialogue going. Share with your friends, your family. Maybe we can become the next Reddit gang. And like the video, hit that notification button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.